My Great Northern's back and fixed again, everybody. Wearing it now. I gotta get other plywood for this train layout, you guys. It's gotta be perfected. I'm working on it though. The black and yellow engine, I couldn't get that in the video, but it needs that metal thing needs to be adjusted. The switcher engine runs awesome, pulls cars. I can put a Great Northern caboose on this. I think I have I'll have to see what I have for a caboose for this thing. Maybe I'll put a tank car on it too. Good, thank you for watching, everybody. It's good. Wish I had more to put on here. I didn't do it today though. Really tired. Sorry. Nice rail grade, huh?